Hi everyone, hope you already know me. I'm Dennis, I'm Airskill Coordinator, and today we will overview the sprint number 4, and it's one of the last sprints. I think it's the last sprint and one of the last weeks. Yeah, and let's see what you will implement this week. This week, the main things is basket page, catalog page enhancement, and about us page. In general, the whole this sprint is about implementing basket page basket. So user can add any item to the basket from the catalog page, from the product overview page, and user can go to the basket page as well. So you need to introduce functionality like increasing quantity of the product, decreasing, adding to the basket, and removing from the basket. And on the basket page, you need a link to the payment. I would say also you need to implement some optimization enhancements for catalog page because there could be a lot of products and you need to provide some lazy loading. You need to provide some infinity scroll or pagination, otherwise users can struggle with their old computers, maybe even modern new ones. So yeah, you need to also implement these enhancements. And as usual, you're working with branches. So you're merging the branch from the previous sprint, creating new branch for this sprint. And then at the end of the sprint, you're merging into a developed branch. And also, you need to remember about us page. And this should be a page about your team, about all of the team members. You need to add some contributions for each team member, and also you need to add some Airskill logo. So all of these criteria you can find here as usual. You can see more detailed overview here by this link. And yeah, you can find the criteria for about us page and find criteria for basket page and etc. And I think that's it from for sprint number 4. Also, I need to remember you you have a list of questions for interview. And as I see in GitHub, interview starting from today. So here you can find the question examples, all of the topics. Yeah, so be prepared. Try to understand how everything works. And yeah, just go through all of these questions. Try to question yourself. Yeah, so wish you good luck, and let's call other coordinators to the stage.
Hey guys.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Denise, for introducing new week. And guys, we're waiting for your questions or comments regarding previous sprint. And while we are waiting for questions, so let me remind you. I want to say that we opened registration to the interview, and let me remind you how to register. Uh, Let me share my screen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we see. So, guys, this is our application, and in the tab interviews, you can find Core.js interview. You see that you have time from this day till end of the June, and just click register. And of course, if you're ready, click yes. We have I have an error because I'm not an active student on this course, but it should be okay. It should be work for you. So that's it from my side.
Yeah, and guys, please pay attention that you should register for the interview, that coordinators will be able to summarize how many mentors we need to conduct this interview. Without the registration, we wouldn't be able to do it. Also, while you are preparing for interview, it may help you if you are a group of 2 or 3 people and try to do kind of training interview when one person asks another person some questions, you answered, correct each other or provide any ideas, hints, and so on. It's a real help for everyone, and I hope it also help for you.
Yeah, and we have the first question from Olga. Is an interview mandatory? Yes. If you want to receive our course certificate, so for this case, it's mandatory.
Also, I'm just to open some secrets. As you know, I help with hiring juniors from our school, and time to time, the managers ask me kind of feedback about this person, and the feedback from the interview may help you. As I shared before, some person joined the company even without interview because the result from the course interview were amazing, and our mentors believe us that we get the certificate for amazing people and hire this girl without the interview. So I would ask you pass this interview, and not only because it's a mandatory task, because it also may help for future.
So, and our next question, also from Olga, but from a different person. I might missed the answer, missed like last meeting. Do we need to save token or not? In one task, it's do not save token. However, if we don't save token after refreshing page, we lose info. Denise, as I remember, last time you presented this task. Do you remember something regarding this token?
I think actually I don't remember correctly, but I can assume it's about authorization. And from my experience, usually you save tokens. If we're talking about authorization, let me see. But I think I can't answer this question now, but I can try to find the answer.
Anyway, yeah, guys, we will find this information and post it in our chats. So let's go to the next question. And next question is, what are your opinions on seals? I find that seals are cute.
They're the best animals.
Yeah. So
Thank you for the question.
A real important question. Agree.
Of course. Anna, have you seen seals in your city? I heard that
Unfortunately,
sometimes.
now we visit Hell. It's a seaside city where seals prefer to lie on a beach. But I visited the city when the weather were awful, and unfortunately, I met no one, and Um, I was ready to cry because of it, but I'm going to visit it one more time because I definitely want to see and touch. I see only in zoos, but I would like to see in the real life without any zoos or shelters or
uh,
nature.
the interesting thing about this town Hell in Poland that uh, there was a bus line number 666 in this city.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now they have changed this line to 669. So okay.
I found the monument and the city was afraid that the Poland starts there because the real first coordinator in the map of Poland.
So let's move to our next question. Question from Becca. Is it still possible to be rejected based on my performance in the final task?
I
Uh,
guess related to final task, we will see in order the whole performance on a whole course, not only by one task.
yeah. Uh, and some uh, addition to this question: to be rejected, to be interviewed. So there was a question. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Regarding token. Yeah, we have a comment in our we have comments in our chat that by the requirements token do not yeah shouldn't be
Yeah, we have
great.
some requirements in the second on thought sprint. And frankly speaking, in real life, it's not secure to save token because of kind of sensitive information. And I mean, safe in the local or local storage or session storage. But um we're using some libraries that allow us to save this token in cookie and mm, related to this task. We are not going to learn you to save token in the storage because in the future it will be not useful for you, first of all. That's why we have such requirement.
Okay, thank you for clarification. And yeah, Ross asks, hello, only I have an option to cross-check review other students' work from our team in the app. My teammates do not see this option. Will my reviews count for the whole team?
If I'm not mistaken, cross review is a mandatory step for all team
Mhm.
members. To be able to join this option, all team members should create a request for cross check. I mean, submit task for cross-check. Perhaps you did this step, neither your team members. That's why you have this option. Your team members is not are not.
Okay. Next question. Can seals have rabies? So sorry, guys.
In Russian, бешенство.
Ah,
I have translated this word.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Interesting. Interesting. Okay.
We have experienced, I would say, person in the chat about seals. So she answered the question.
Yeah. So, question from Olga. What is the final date for the interview? So, final date is June 30, but we use UTC 0 time, yeah, time zone for this application, or for this. Let me see. So, please check in your in your account, in your RS application, because the final date for you based on your time zone.
But
So
let me clarify. Final day to pass interview, but pay attention that you should agree the date and time in advance with your mentor. So let's agree that you have 1 week for registration. Then I have several days to create pairs, mentor and student for the interview, because we should know the amount of student who are going to pass this interview. Uh, and after that, you should agree date and time with your mentor. By pay attention is also how to say, summer is a time when a lot of people have vacation and so on, and it might be happen that your mentor will go into vacation and wouldn't be able to conduct the interview at at the last I mean, closest to the end of this period. So please do not postpone to the very end, and just register for the interview as soon as it's possible.
yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, we have a comment that there is a problem that after refreshing page without token, we can lose lose the items in user card, in user basket. So that's why our students ask about this token. So next important question: what type of seals do you prefer?
How many types do you know?
Hardboard.
There is 2 types of seals. It's like let me
Baikal.
no. I mean two big groups of seals. It unfortunately I know it only in Russian. Let me it like настоящие тюлени and ушастые тюлени in Russian. It will be so.
Oh, come on. Cute and not cute. But everyone goes to the category of cute.
Yeah. So.
Sea lions.
So yeah, Emilia has been waiting for to ask this question for a long time. So yeah, we have so a lot of comments, a lot of questions in our chat. So good activity.
Yeah, can I add to the Olga's question about we can lose user basket without saving token?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we didn't answer, but if we're talking about single page application, when user opens user basket, it still should be there, and we don't need we can't lose the authentication if it's single page application.
I think it's can be a problem of our platform that we use like e-commerce backend, but I'm not sure.
Okay then.
So okay.
I guess we can agree that in case it's real necessary for developers to save token, please do it, but do it in a cookie, not on a storage.
So I think next question it's for you, Anna. If I remember correctly, we already spoke about this topic. We already discussed it, but please, could you share information about Angular course one more time?
Yeah, I've shared the link to the Angular course. It will start it on July 7 and will end at the July 31. And the coordinator of this course will be Pavel Razuvalov. For me, it's one of the most skilled person in Angular, as well as a very cool coordinator and trainer. So I guess it will be a good choice to join the Angular. By the way, the decision to choose Angular or React is absolutely up to our student.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Next question. What can do teammates in case if they hadn't submit a cross-check link in errors application?
In case you're working in a team and someone from your team write me that it's definitely teamwork, I'm okay to duplicate their points from one of team members to others. But in case you try to cheat by this case, I will not do it.
Okay. Thank you. What is the name of that gorgeous beast?
It was Casper, like
Uh,
a famous ghost.
yeah, thank you. Um, yeah, yeah, we still have a discussion about seals. So, okay, let's go to the our questions. I have a question about the search. Searching in commerce tools does not work exactly according to requirements. It finds similar. Sorry, I didn't share the. Uh, it finds similar words and not always.
Yeah, I had that search is unpredictable, and unfortunately, we can fix or affect it. So please use it as it is, and everyone should know that it's not the issue of developer, I mean front-end developer who use this search. It's the bug from the backend side who implement the search. And as I understand, they not use classic algorithm for search, and that's why it's a bit buggy.
Yeah, it also I show the next part of this question. Yeah, I read the discussion in the Russian group. Everyone notes this point that the search works strangely. So my question is, how will the search from commerce tools will be evaluated?
If
Uh,
front-end developer used correct resource, I mean endpoint or backend link, and provide the correct payload to the backend, I guess it should be evaluated fully. In case you provide some wrong data to the backend, it's issue on your side.
yeah, guys, you can.
It's real life. When front end side did something incorrect and argue with the backend team that we did everything the best and so on, but you break our code, and first thing start from the check whether you send the correct option to the backend. In case you did it, I guess you're right. So let's create back to the backend side.
Yeah, guys, you can check it if you're not sure. You can check it in Chrome DevTools in tab network. Yeah, I believe network, and you can check all parameters of this HTTP request and response. So add of course if you mm, doesn't if you don't agree with the cross-check result, you can discuss this result with your checker, or you can how it in English appellate. You can appellate, and somebody will review your task. Yeah. So now comments regarding our token. So we lose token when we refresh a page, not when we go to another page. Yeah, that's a pain. Regarding our result, Evgenia says that it was a mistake, not a cheating.
Okay, Evgenia, please ping me after the points from cross-check will be available in the RES app. I will duplicate the mark from your team.
And last question so far. One more question from me. Would my score make any difference in anything? I'm not sure that I understand this question correctly.
Maybe
I
something
guess,
related to certificate.
yeah, I guess yes. Everyone who successfully passed the course, the team task, and the last final interview and will get more than 6 and more point will get the certificate. And it doesn't matter you will be in a top 5 student or how to say 5 bottom student in a score. I don't know the phrase for this. I mean, if you will be closer to the end of the score list, it's absolutely okay. The most important thing, the knowledge you got within this course and your possibility to pass the interview with real projects, with real company, and so on.
And addition for this question, in other words, or why I would want to have higher score?
Yes, I remember.
Yeah.
As I remember, Anna, you told about some recommendations for EPAM. If for the highest high score students, so I think that's one of the motivations. But yeah, maybe we have some motivations if students are somewhere in the middle too.
When someone asked me about a student with some technology, first of all, I open courses, our courses, Angular, React, and start searching the people from the top to the bottom. And if you are closer to bottom, I will find you a bit later than the student in the top. A bit later, it means it might be past 3 months or 1 year. It's depend on amount of a position or some opportunities for the students. So if you will not receive the certificate, I will not consider you at all. Sorry, but it's reality. Only student with a certificate might be considered as a potential employee for some position or opportunities.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for
Yeah.
clarification.
So
And that's why I asked many times, please add contacts to your REST profile, because, for instance, last week I need several guys with React and Angular. I opened appropriate courses, find student, but there are no contacts. So, and top 10 student will miss these opportunities because of absent of contacts.
so the better score, the better you present yourself for Anna, and
Yeah,
more
just
chances to
sell
consider you.
yourself to me.
So guys,
Hungry Games.
yeah, don't forget
Yeah.
update contact information in your profile. So yeah, and I see that it was our last question. So guys, thank you for watching this session. Thank you for being active in our chat. Thank you for comments, question about our application, about seals, of course. Yeah. And see you next time. Don't forget that in any cases you can ask us questions in our chats in Discord and Telegram. And see you next time.
See you.
Bye
Have a
bye,
great week.
guys.
Bye bye.
See you. Where's the music?